Hi everyone, in this video I'll be comparing Planner 5D and Sketchup to help you decide which one is better for your design needs. Let's get started. Planner 5D is perfect for beginners who want to design home interiors fast. It's drag and drop, mobile friendly and packed with templates. You can switch between 2D and 3D instantly and no design experience is needed. Great for quick home layouts, furniture planning or DIY renovations. Pros: easy to use, mobile app available, massive furniture library. Cons: limited customization, less precise for pro architecture. SketchUp, on the other hand, is a powerful 3D modeling tool. Architects, designers and engineers love it for its accuracy and flexibility. It's great for creating detailed structures, from houses to city blocks, but there's a learning curve. Pros: advanced modeling tools, high precision, extensive plugin support. Cons: steeper learning curve, not beginner friendly, desktop focused, web version has limits. If you're a beginner looking to visualize your dream home or redesign a room, Planner 5D is a solid pick. But if you need pro-level tools for architectural design or complex models, SketchUp wins hands down. Start with Planner 5D, then move up to SketchUp when you're ready to level up. And that's it. You've now got a clear idea of how Planner 5D stacks up against SketchUp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.